Hi everybody, my name is Graciela Alanis Keffer. Today I'm going to talk about the career profile of bilingual family life educator. Founded online is by the Parenting Center. It's located in Fort Worth, Texas. And the website is www.theparentingcenter.org. In order to apply, you have to send your resume online to an email. And the working environment, well, I find out that this organization is a very large organization. It serves the Metroplex area and the surrounded communities. They have a lot of education, a lot of services, and they do it inside the center and also in different community centers, just all over. And they offer a variety of services. They offer family life education, which includes the parenting education workshops and also family transition workshops, which they provide to families raising children between two homes. The Parenting Center also offers empowering family programs, which include the Empowering Families Workshop and Healthy Relationship Workshop. When I was reading about it, this pretty much is learning marriage skills. The Parenting Center offers in-home parent coaching. They send a parent coach to a family home for 10 weeks to teach them how to be better parents. They also offer a parenting advice line. This is a toll-free number. Anybody that needs help to navigate through parenthood, they can call that phone number. And they also offer clinical counseling services and play therapy. This particular position, the one that I'm talking about, is a full-time position inside the center, but also it requires to travel 2 to 3 times a week and occasionally on weekends. So the schedule has to be very flexible in order to meet the needs of the clients. The typical stressors, at least for me, this position requires to work under pressure and meet deadlines. It also asks to organize work, prioritize duties, and maintain an accurate documentation. The typical benefits, well, I look for them everywhere. Didn't find anything. However, I did find out that whoever would like to apply for this position, they have to have a reliable transportation, liability insurance proof, and a valid Texas driver license. The common job task is they're going to be teaching adults different settings and locations, including in the Parenting Center and in different community locations and also online. It requires to teach workshops 2 evenings per week and some Saturdays. We also have to assist with paperwork, curriculum development, and class facilitator. The education requirements requires a bachelor degree in human services field. It can be counseling, sociology, psychology, social work, or anything that is related. The starting salary is $31,000 to $41,000 a year, and it just depends on the experience. And the miscellaneous career information is that this job position in particular, it requires to be bilingual, which everybody can tell I am bilingual, Spanish and English, and it also requires to work with adults, which that's where I think I can do the job. In the past, I have worked to teach English as second language to parents in the school district, and also I have worked as a substitute teacher for the past 3 or 4 years, 4 years. So I'm very familiar with working in a classroom environment, and that's why I think this is the perfect fit for me. If you have any questions, let me know down here. Thank you.